I think it's cool based on I've never paid attention to royal weddings in the past, so now I'm more than familiar with what's going on. It's a big deal. There's no doubt in that. What we're doing is a traditional brunch, elevated a little bit with some local flair from Saskatoon, some international products to reflect the British side of things. So Noelle's putting together a scone that we're going to serve both as a continental item and as the base for one of our eggs Benedict. It's unique. In my career, I've cooked for celebrities. I've cooked for the Queen twice, that type of stuff. So this is not that daunting a task because there isn't a lot of celebrity coverage. But for something that people are watching from 6,000 kilometers away, it is kind of a unique thing to do. From concept to actual people eating on Saturday morning, it's a collaboration between myself and other members of the culinary team for that type of stuff. The process itself is daunting, what's that?